What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have a portable humidifier. This is a colored humidifier, a USB powered humidifier. We are going to go ahead and get into this. I saw this one. It looks pretty cool. I like the design. This is pretty nice, you guys. All right, so there you go. It says H2O humidifier. So it's simple. You have your little like micro USB right there. You have a button right here. Let's go ahead and see if we can. Okay, so that just pops right on out. There's no twist to that. As far as this goes, we will find out exactly what this does. Let's see. Okay, that's in Chinese. Okay, so this is a cotton bar replacement. Okay, so I guess you have to replace this when it gets dirty. It don't really say here. It says before the first use, please take out the white cotton stick in the humidifier and soak it in water for 1 minute until the cotton stick is full after the water is pumped. The humidifier is added to the humidifier. I think they got a typo right there. So when you take this off, do not lose the bottom spring. That's what it says. All right, you guys. So they have a lot of operation procedures to do here. All right, you guys. So it says right here, it is forbidden to add oil, essential oil, to avoid blocking. So don't add oil. I think I said that before in my other humidifier reviews. If you have a diffuser, then you can add oil. Usually they don't recommend to add like any type of oil to like humidifiers and stuff like that. I don't know about the Vicks drops. I just bought like a Vicks bottle where you can put it in your humidifier, I believe, but I'm not sure. So all right, so this is 300 milliliter capacity for this, but they don't have a fill line on here, so I wouldn't fill it up all the way. That's just me personally. And yeah, that's about it, you guys. I am going to go ahead, put some water in it, turn it on, let y'all see it, and go on about our business today. This is the power cord, in which is not long at all. The cool thing about this is you could put it in your car. If you need it in your car, you know, it's winter time, so most of the time you got the heat on in the car and stuff like that. If you're the type that be in the car all the time, then you know this would be a nice little gadget for you, or product, whatever you want to call it. Let's go ahead and check it out. All right, you guys. So I did soak this in water already. I added some water in it. Now I only went to like right here. All right, I see a little slash right there, so I'm not sure if that's the fill level right there, or full level, sorry. So let me go ahead and put this stick back in. I'm going to go ahead and put this in here like this. So I'm just going to put that back on, just like that. Now I already have it plugged in, so I put the power source in already. I'm going to hit the button. Wow. Comes out already nice. It's actually misting pretty good, you guys. Like, I didn't think it would miss that much, but there you go. This is pretty nice. I like this. This is pretty cool. If you want something like this for your office, or you want, well, your bedroom, office, your car, whatever, but it looks pretty cool. The colors actually circle around. I know you could barely see it because of the camera, but the colors are actually circling around. I hit the button again. You turn it off. I'm gonna hit the button. I'm gonna hold it. When you hold it, you can go to a solid color. Well, it does the rainbow, not rainbow color, but the rainbow color was before, but right now it's just going into different colors. I'm gonna hold it again. Once you hold it again, it stays on to the color that it was on last when it went to that different color mode. All right, and I will post everything right here because I'm actually reading the instructions right here. So that's the rainbow mode when it's going in different rainbow colors. I don't know why my second press. Oh, so it'll go off and on with the smoke. That's nice. Well, not smoke, the mist. All right, you guys. So let's do that again. We're gonna go over this final thing right here. So here we go. we're going to turn it on. And when you turn it on, it goes into the rainbow color mode where it just goes around in all the colors, right? Now, if you press it again, it will just shoot the mist like every few seconds. So that will definitely save you water in this mode right here. All right, if you press it again, it turns it off. So we're going to do this again. We're going to press it. Now you have the rainbow color mode. It's going in the rainbow color all the way around. I know you can't see it because of the color, but there you go right there. That's what it looks like. All right. Now, if you long press it, it will go into single colors, but it will go into like random colors. So it will do the white, it will do the yellow, green, and then red, blue, but it will stay on that color for a little while. Now, whatever color you want, you got to wait till it get on that color, and then you got to hold it. So if I want that color right there, I have to hold it on that color. All right. And then after that, if I don't want the mist to have a continued mist, I will hit the button one time, and then it will do a little eco mist right there. This is awesome, you guys. I actually like this humidifier. It's pretty nice. Put it in the kids' room. You know, it's that season where they start sniffling and all that stuff. So humidifiers are definitely needed in this season right here. So that will be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section. I will try to, I will post this already. But if you have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.